Manuel Veith is an Austrian former alpine ski racer and Olympic gold medalist. She was born on June 18, 1989 in Hallein, Austria. She was born to parents Peter and Martina Fenninger and later settled in Salzburg. On 16 April 2016, she married her longtime boyfriend, former snowboarder Manuel Veith. In February 2021, Veith announced that the couple expects their first child together. Veith announced her retirement from the sport on 13 May 2020. On 12 January 2019, she suffered another cruciate ligament tear during training in Pozza di Fassa, although she had not even fallen. She had to cancel the season and thereby also missed the World Championships. Veith attempted to defend her 2014 Super G gold medal, ultimately winning the silver medal in Pyeongchang behind Czech skier Esther Ledecka in the major upset. Veith attempted to defend her 2014 Super G gold medal, ultimately winning the silver medal in Pyeongchang behind Czech skier Esther Ledecka in a major upset. In January 2016, she announced former tennis player Florian Krumrie as her new manager. Veith had her most successful World Championships to date, winning gold medals in the Super G and GS and a silver in the downhill. Following the World Championships, she continued her form in the World Cup. On 19 January, she had trailed Tina Mage by 361 points in the overall. The 2014 season was Veith's most successful season so far. At the 2014 Winter Olympics in Sochi, Russia, Veith won the Super G at Rosa Kudor for her first Olympic medal, winning by over a half second. 3 days later, she won a silver medal in the giant slalom, just 0.02 seconds behind gold medalist and World Cup rival Tina Mage of Slovenia. The giant slalom was held in the rain. In the next 3 races after the Olympics, Veith had a runner-up finish and 2 wins, which gave her 280 more points and temporary lead over Hofi Risch. At the 2013 World Championships in Schladming, Austria, Veith won bronze in the giant slalom. In the Alpine Skiing World Cup overall ranking 2013, she finished third behind Tina Mage and Maria Hoffels-Riesch. In late December 2011, Veith won her first World Cup event in Liège, Austria in the giant slalom. Her most consistent World Cup podium results have been in the Super G. After another giant slalom win in Austria in December 2012, Veith's first Super G victory came in March 2013 in Germany. The 2011 season was a very successful season for Veith. She had 12 World Cup top 10 finishes, which included 2 podiums, and finished 12th in the overall standings. She was 6th in the season's downhill standings and 7th in the Super G. Veith had 3 top 10 finishes. At the 2010 Winter Olympics, she placed 16th in the Super G and the Super combined events and 25th in the downhill. In the 2009 season, she achieved 6 top 10 placings, with her greatest success being a second place in the Super G event in Cortina d'Ampezzo on 26 January 2009. At the World Championships in Val d'Isère, Veith became 4th and 7th in the Super G and the Super combined events respectively. In the 2006 Junior World Championships, Veith won the gold in the Super G, silver in the downhill and finished 5th in the slalom.